Okay, today's rant is about Joe the plumber, aka Joe Sixpack. Now, Joe Sixpack sounds like the beginning of alcoholism. If you're drinking a six pack of beer every day, you are an alcoholic. So now, I guess what they're saying is now what about Joe the bartender, Joe the pony trainer? What about Joe Eat at Joe's, the restaurant owner? Michael the Filipino pool boy? Um, what about Chuck Barris? You know, when you think about it, there, I think there should be more attention paid to Bruce Brockleitner and less attention paid to Joe the plumber. But Joe the plumber, Joe Sixpack, yeah, go. Yeah. What we want is the would-be alcoholics of America deciding who will take office in this land. Well, how? That's correct, sir. You are